Alright guys, now welcome to our Santorini villa. Now first off, I'd like to point out that we actually booked a 1-bedroom villa, but when we got here they said there was an issue with the room, so they upgraded us to a 2-bedroom. So, this is the front door. When you walk in, you have a TV here with some shelves. Now here, you have a little lounging area with a coffee table. And then here is your full kitchenette. So you have coffee maker, tea maker, full kitchenware, a little sink, and then down here we've got a fridge and a little garbage can there. Now this is bedroom number 1. This is actually the bedroom we are not using, so that's why you see, we have our luggage here and everything. It's kind of our storage room. So, good sized room. You have bedside lamps on each side. One of the great things about this room is that it has, a very cave-like feel. There's a closet over here, and here is the sink, towels, there, and some of the amenities. Got these cool little wooden stools in each bathroom as well. And then of course, these curtains cover up and act as a door for privacy. You have AC unit there. Each room has its own AC unit. And then here's the bathroom for this room. It is a bit dark. So here's your toilet and the shower. You have a rain shower from here with a handheld unit over there. Now let's head on over to the second bedroom, which is the one we're actually using. So right here, you see AC unit number 2. And here is our bed, again, 2 bedside lamps, and Alana, who's currently trying to sleep. Here we have a little wardrobe for the room. Nice hanging space. And this is a bit bigger of a bathroom area. So, you have the same style of sink, similar amenities, bigger mirror, blow dryer, and then those nice stools again. And here, sort of an open bathroom to the room. You have the shower right here with the same rain head and the handheld. And then this is the wash closet. So now, I'll show you the best part. I'll save the best part for last. Our private terrace. Now, it is nighttime out, unfortunately. However, I'll throw on some clips earlier from daytime. So here is our private terrace. A heated swimming pool, these views. Lounge out here, or relax on the sunbeds here. All access to our private gate right there. And yeah, the views out here are absolutely incredible. And shut the door. So that was the tour of our Santorini villa. Let me know what you think. It's a pretty solid room. We're enjoying our time here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video.